In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom metric to your Xero Business Health Scorecard. First, sign in to your Xero account and head to your main dashboard. From here, look to the top navigation and click Reporting. This is where Xero keeps the tools that summarize how your business is tracking. In the reporting area, select Business Health Scorecards. The scorecard gives you an at-a-glance view of key performance indicators, so it's the perfect place to put a metric that's specific to your goals. Before we add anything new, take a moment to review the business health overview you see on screen. Scan the existing tiles and charts to understand what's already being tracked, like revenue, expenses, or cash flow. This quick review helps you spot any gaps and make sure your custom metric will actually add value rather than duplicate something that's already there. Now, click Add Row. This creates space for a new item on your scorecard. When prompted, choose Custom Metric. A custom metric lets you define exactly what you want to measure, so you can reflect how your business really operates. Enter a clear, descriptive name for your metric. Pick something your team will instantly recognize, like average invoice value or on-time payment rate. Keep it concise, but specific, so it's easy to find later and obvious in reports. Next, configure the metric calculation settings. Choose how this metric should be calculated based on the data Xero tracks. You can typically specify the calculation type, select the accounts or data points to include, set the time period, and choose how the numbers should be displayed. Decide whether the result should be shown as a currency, a percentage, or a plain number, and consider how you want Xero to aggregate the data across weeks or months. If a formula is involved, double-check that each part references the right inputs and aligns with how your business measures success. Set the target goals and comparison settings to put your number in context. Define a realistic target so you can quickly see if you're on track. Indicate whether higher or lower is better, and choose how you want Xero to compare performance, such as against the previous period or the same period last year. Visual cues like colors or trend arrows can make it easier to interpret at a glance. Review the custom metric details carefully. Confirm the name, calculation, display format, target, and comparison options all look right. When you're satisfied, click Save. Finally, review the updated Business Health Scorecard. Your new metric will appear alongside the existing ones, giving you a more complete picture of performance. Take a final look to ensure the values and trends make sense, and you're done.